This Dreame Z1 is very well priced and very high functioning. It's very much like the Z1 Pro. The main difference is it does not include a Li-Fi remote control. Now, suction power, 8,000 gallons per hour. It's fantastic. Battery life, 9,600 milliampere, gets you 3+ hours of use. Really good. Takes about 6 hours to recharge it. I got no complaints there. Scrubbers are fantastic, and it has them on the front and on the back, and they're dual, so there's actually 4 scrubbers, and so that's what allows you to crawl up the walls and turn left and right really well. It's got obstacle avoidance, and it works. I haven't gotten stuck even one time, and I've been using it for 2 weeks. All right, at the end of the video, I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you the app, and I'm gonna show you some time lapse, but first, let me just show you this right here is the favorite feature of all. Yes, it does Waterline. Lots of the different pool cleaners do Waterline, but I've never seen a pool cleaner do the Waterline this good. It gets all the way up to the coping, and it will stay up out of the water scrubbing this thing anywhere from 1.5 minutes, 2.5. I've even timed it over 3 minutes at a time. That is my very favorite feature. All right, here I am retrieving it. It will pull itself over to the side near the bottom of the pool. Also, it has a self-parking where it'll actually park right next to the coping and stay there for several minutes if you know to go out there and get it because your app has alerted you or if you're watching it closely. I always rinse off the pool cleaner every single time I use it because it gets the chlorine, gets the salt water off of it, so it's not so corrosive. It's good in chlorine and in saltwater pools, by the way. Filter basket is really good. It's trapped bugs, hair, leaves, rocks, dirt, sand, all that stuff, and the filter itself hasn't been getting gummed up like some of the filters do with sand, but I've only been using it for 2 weeks, we'll see. The charging port is super cool. It's magnetic. That's really cool, but it's also great because water doesn't get stuck in the port, which could cause damage. Okay, now let's look at the app itself. I, for one, was not expecting to like the app. Oftentimes, pool cleaner apps are clumsy and they're difficult to connect to. This was not the case. It was really easy to find. It was very easy to pair. And then it was really easy to download the software and connect it to my home router. The whole system, the whole process was flawless. Then you get to the point that you are trying to get to. You actually get to see all the functionality of the device right there on your phone, including all the different cleaning cycles, and there are a bunch of them. Here we are upgrading to firmware, so now it's all ready. You can do standard, floor only, wall only, waterline focus, or the whole pool. It's a really good app. And then once you're ready to set it all up, you can set a cleaning cycle, how many days a week you want it to do, what time do you want it to do it. It's really great. Also, once it is done cleaning, it then gives you a full breakdown of all that it has done, including the duration of the clean, how much water it's filtered through, and the battery life remaining. It's a great app, but now let me take you back in time to when I was unboxing it, and let's see what comes in the package. I just got a new pool cleaner to review. Kind of excited about this one. Before I even open it, I'm excited because the price is right, and everything I've read about it, I think you're gonna get big value, big bang, big production for a lower price. I hope that's the case, but we'll see. All right, packaging, so far, so good. It's like one of those presents your grandma gave you. It's a box within a box. Wow. All right, round 2. What intrigued me about this one, and we'll dig into it, I'll use this for a couple of weeks, and then, really, and another box. Well, it's packaged well. So what intrigued me about it is it does all the stuff that really matters and then not a whole lot of other stuff that doesn't really matter. And what I mean by that is all that stuff can just break. I think the longer I've been using these pool cleaners, and this is probably my 6th one, maybe 7th one, I think I really want quality over quantity. Just give me the stuff that matters. Battery life, suction power, few parts that can't break, that sort of thing. That's what I think we're getting with this one here. So first of all, that's pretty cool, pretty impressive. That's the quick start guide. So unbox, charge it, install the app, how to control the app, how to push the buttons on the unit itself. I do like that whenever it has an app, that's cool, but I need buttons on the unit too. It's just important because a lot of times I don't want to mess with apps and I need it to work all the time. And then lastly, how to retrieve it. All these are pretty good about when they're done, they go up to the right to the edge, and then you get the hook and you pull it out. Pretty much everybody does that, but that is a cool feature. All right, so I put that there. That is a thick user manual. The Dreame Z1. Okay, so this is an after-sales service card, your warranty information. It does have a good warranty. Look at that real quick. And then this is the user manual. I mean, this is a big old user manual. It is important that I just look at it and it like has good English and good pictures. That looks very nice. All right, let's get to the actual unit. Again, great packaging. Here's your retrieval hook. I mean, they got foam, molded foam. That's gonna show up protected. All right, sometimes you can tell with these cables and with the adapters just how good the unit's gonna be. I've had some that just have these little chintzy cables and adapters and some that are a little bit more robust and beefy. This one, first time to look at it, this is the robust and beefy type. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah, you can just tell, you put a little extra time and attention into the cabling. So this has got a unique connection there, and check that out, this little rag just velcroed right there to the end. That's gonna help you keep your ports dry. That is a smart little feature. I mean, I appreciate it. If the company's going to that extreme, then they're probably doing some other things right too. So like that's pretty cool. All right, so this cable itself, pretty standard to thick this side, but look over here. That's just a thick 3-pronged cable. That's not cheap. That's a good sign. And there's the adapter. All right, that's that. Still trying to get down here to this. Some more packaging. It's wrapped really well. It's got some good heft to it, some good girth. That's a great word. And I mean, yeah, great packaging, more foam, 3 boxes. I like that. All right. Woo. This looks like Star Wars. This is awesome. Look at this. All right, so I'm gonna play with this. Look at the tank treads on that and some sensors on the side. This is just a really attractive piece. The rubber feels very nice. Dual movement, like this one moves, that helps it climb the walls and such better. Looks like you press this to, oh, this is cool. Cool. All right, I'll do a full review and I'll dig into this later, but I'm gonna live with it for 2 weeks. There's the buttons. I was hoping it would. That's good. That's real good. Oh, I wonder if it has a charge. Let's see. Nope, gotta put a charge. All right, so I'm gonna live with this for like a whole 2 weeks, and I'm gonna give you all my thoughts on the back end of that 2 weeks. Stay tuned. This is gonna be fun. All right, just kidding. All right, I have truly lived with this for a couple of weeks now, and I'm very impressed with it, especially at this price point. Like, get it, it's fantastic. All right, first of all, no matter what setting you put this on, it will do a victory lap around the entire pool, scanning it, scoping it out so it has a good plan. When you watch this thing work, it's very intelligent. There are some times where if you watch a robot, whether it's inside vacuuming your carpet or it's your pool, if you watch it too closely, it will drive you crazy because you can't figure out what it's going to do next. This is not the case. It is very rhythmic, very algorithm driven, very impressive, and it gets the whole pool nice and clean. Once it's all the way done, it always parks itself on the very side, gives you a few minutes to go over there and grab it and pull it out. Otherwise, it just sits there at the base of the pool, and then you can pull it out with the retrieval hook. Very, 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 very good. All right, what else can I tell you? The Waterline. I told you earlier that's the best feature. The Waterline is incredible. 3 minutes and 2 seconds before it went back under. Then it came back up, went a whole minute and 6 seconds, minute and 37 seconds, then a minute and 37 seconds again. I've never seen a pool cleaner do the Waterline this well. So if it was just that one feature, I would say grab it. But the reality is it does so many things well. Now I'm gonna finish the video by just zeroing in on the Waterline because that is my favorite feature. But again, it does the floor, it does the walls, it does all the stuff. I can't be happier with it. It's really, really a good pool cleaner. The company did reach out to me. I did not get paid to do this, but they did send me the Pool Cleaner 2 review, and I love it. I have 0 complaints. I think it's gonna last a long time, and I think it really performs. Let me also real quick show you some of the filters. It picked up everything, and let me remind you that I am cleaning a clean pool. So everything that is in here, with the exception of those little pebbles, I threw those in there just to see if it was strong enough to pick it up, and it had no problem doing so. But everything in there, the bugs and the hair and the grass and all the grime, that's just coming off of what I thought was a clean pool. So very effective, very well priced. If this price was quite a bit higher, I would still recommend it. But at this price point, it's just fabulous. So anyway, I hope that this video has helped you. Not only is it a super cool looking device, it is just checking all my boxes and I love it. And again, I hope it helps you. I say get it and happy cleaning.